you today. Have the Shopkins So Cool Fridge. And there's some stickers back there. Decorate that later. And there's a little ice cream. There's a little frozen yogurt with some strawberries, a little soda, 6 eggs. And on the back it says you can get that little thing. Hope you get it when we open some little black things. We'll do that when I'm done telling you. And like there's a little place. You press that little lever and this comes down. And like there's a little drawer down there. Shopkins, 2 bags up there. And those cute little eggs, you can store some inside there too. Alright. So, let's start opening. I got these cute little stickers, hearts, the eggs, little cupcakes, sodas and stuff. Butterflies, I'll put these bags here. And then we'll open up some wine bags. Now there's like a little cup where you can push down and make sweet ice come out. And all that. And we got 2 little bags. Very squishy on the side. And there's a little place. See, you squish it down and it goes out like that. And like there's like a little jar inside where you can put some like stuff in there. And like there's another little jar right here. I'm not sure if it's a jar. Yeah, you can put some inside here. And like there's a little storing place down here. And yeah. So let's start opening. Okay. Oh whoa! There's a bunch of stuff falling out. Okay. There's like a little tomato. I'm gonna put the little tomato right up here. The little tomato, little cupcake. Put the cupcake in put the cupcake inside here. Where should the cupcake go? Where's the cupcake go? Where's the cupcake gonna go? Cupcake, you're gonna go right up here, inside here. Its face. So put the cupcake right up here inside, and then I'm going to put another little cupcake right there, and then oh yeah, there's 2 little white carrots. So I'm gonna put these white carrots. Whoa, this is slipping down here. Maybe I should put them inside here. Whoop. Put these carrots inside here. Crazy. Now I'm going to come around here to the front. I'm going to step over here and I'm going to put this right here. And this little sausage, you're going to go right here. And now let's see. The rest is back here. Oh, just one more thing. Another little tomato. You're going to go right there. And next one. Sounds full. Whoa! Bunch of stuff that's fell up. So we have like a little berry. I'll put that right there. A little another cupcake. That right there. And also the rest of this stuff is right here. Taco! The little taco! Look at the taco! Wow! Gotta store some much stuff in here. I don't think. Yeah. Close it up. You all look so happy when you're looking. You all look so happy. So just close this up. Let's put, like, is there anybody that would like join us? Okay, do you want to go inside? You want to have a try? Okay, here we go. Close it up. And, whoa, it fell in there. Okay, let's try that again. One more time. Let's try it one more time. And, whoa. There it is, inside the cup. It's inside the cup. Now I'm going to close it up. Let's put some stickers on now. So, like a little checklist right there. little, all the fruits and stuff. This, all the fruits. This, all the fruit list. Doesn't go there. We'll put this like right up here, the fruit list. And what else do we have? We have a little measuring. And all this, that right there. These little eggs. Which are gonna go somewhere. This little leg of on the side is gonna go like right there on it. So, and this little picture is gonna go right on top of the fridge, right there. Bye everybody, don't forget to subscribe, tell us what other videos you would like us to make.